no deputy. I said I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot no deputy. I'm not guilty. All around in my hometown, they're trying to track me down. They say they want to bring me in guilty for the killing of the deputy. But I say I shot the sheriff, but I swear it was in self-defense. And they say it was a capital offense. I'm not guilty. Sheriff John Brown always hated me for what said I don't know. Every time that I planted my seed, he said, kill it before it grows. Self-defense. Freedom came my way one day, and I started out way out there. All of a sudden I see Sheriff John Brown, and he's ready to shoot me down. So I shot, and I shot him down. But I said, I shot the sheriff. I didn't shoot no deputy. I'm not guilty. But oh, reflexes got the better of me. And what is to be, Lord, it must be, yeah, no. Every day carry buckets to the well, then one day the bottom will drop out. I say, yeah, the bottom will drop out. And I say, I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot no deputy. Sheriff, no, I didn't shoot no deputy.